Hi everyone, I am Ayaz Beg and I'm excited to share something very important with you. Our upcoming workshop called Empathy and Emotional Intelligence in Action, Strengthening Mental Health and School Environments. I have been in counseling and education for over 20 years. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's this: empathy and emotional intelligence aren't just the soft skills, they're life changing tools that build trust, reduce stress, and create safe and positive school environments. So, let me tell you a quick story. A student of mine was always quiet, disconnected, never joined in. I didn't push, I just kept checking in. It took 8 small conversations until one day she opened up about her love for the pets, and that was the turning point. She is now confident, thriving, and studying abroad, all because of simple, patient, and empathy in action. So, this workshop is for teachers, school staff, and care providers who want to better understand students, reduce emotional burnout, and build mentally healthy classrooms. You will learn how to listen deeply, respond with care, and use emotional intelligence to support your students and yourself. Details are coming soon on our Ultimate Counseling Cloud social media pages. So follow us and don't miss out. Spaces will be very limited. Together, let's build school where people feel seen, heard, and safe. Empathy and emotional intelligence can make that happen. See you there.